Hello, explorers. Today, we're diving into the real world of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI isn't just science fiction. It's already here, quietly making our lives better and more connected. Think of AI as teaching computers to learn and solve problems, just like people do. It can study thousands of books in seconds, spot patterns, and help us tackle big challenges. In this episode, we'll see how AI is helping doctors, making travel safer, and even building the things we use every day. AI is a tool we design and guide, unlocking new possibilities for a brighter future. Get ready to discover how AI is already part of your world, often without you even noticing. Let's get started. Our first stop, the hospital, where AI is giving doctors a new superpower. AI can scan thousands of X-rays and MRIs, spotting diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately than ever. It listens to heartbeats, analyzes smartwatch data, and predicts heart problems before symptoms appear. Doctors use this information to keep us healthier, longer. AI also speeds up the search for new medicines by analyzing huge amounts of data, helping scientists find cures faster. In hospitals, AI manages appointments and supplies, so doctors can focus on caring for patients. It's not replacing doctors, it's giving them better tools and more time to help us. AI is a true partner in making healthcare smarter and more effective. From early diagnosis to new treatments, AI is saving lives every day. That's real-life medical magic. Next, let's see how AI is transforming travel. Modern cars use AI as a co-pilot, warning drivers, braking automatically, and even steering to prevent accidents. Cities use AI to control traffic lights, analyze traffic flow, and reroute cars to avoid jams, saving time and reducing pollution. AI-powered drones deliver medicine to remote places, help farmers monitor crops, and assist in disaster relief. These smart systems make transportation safer, faster, and more efficient for everyone. Whether it's a car, a city, or a drone, AI is the engine behind safer journeys. The future of travel is smarter, and AI is driving us there. Imagine a world where getting around is easier for all. That's the road ahead. Now, let's visit the factory floor, where AI keeps everything running smoothly. Sensors on machines collect data, and AI predicts when repairs are needed, fixing problems before they cause breakdowns. AI-powered robots, or cobots, help with heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, keeping workers safe and freeing them for creative jobs. AI analyzes the whole factory, finding ways to save time, energy, and resources. Smarter factories mean better products and a healthier planet. AI is building a more sustainable future, one product at a time. It's teamwork between people and technology. That's the power of AI in industry. Let's zoom out to our cities, where AI is making life better for everyone. Smart cities use AI to optimize buses and trains, making public transport faster and more reliable. AI manages waste by sending trucks only to full bins, cutting pollution and saving time. Smart streetlights dim or brighten based on activity, saving energy. AI balances the city's power grid, using renewable energy more efficiently. These innovations create cleaner, safer, and more sustainable communities. AI helps cities run smoothly, improving daily life for millions. It's technology working for people and the planet. That's the vision of a smart city. Did you know you use AI every day? Your phone's face unlock, keyboard suggestions, and streaming recommendations are all powered by AI. Translation apps and writing tools help us connect and communicate across languages. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa answer questions, play music, and make life easier. AI works behind the scenes, making technology feel like magic. It helps us discover new music, movies, and ideas. These tools break down barriers and bring people together. AI is part of our daily routines, often without us noticing. That's everyday AI in action. As we've seen, AI is more than robots. It's a tool making a real difference in our world. From hospitals to homes, AI empowers people to solve big challenges and connect in new ways. It frees us to be more creative, compassionate, and innovative. But we must use AI wisely, building systems that are fair, safe, and benefit everyone. By learning about AI, you help shape a future where technology serves humanity. The story of AI is the story of human potential. Together, we can build a brighter, smarter world. Thanks for joining this adventure.